Imagine a city where crystal clear water flows through the streets. Not hidden away in pipes, but right there, visible to everyone, running through open gutters. These aren't just any gutters, they are a unique feature of this city. The water is so clear and pure, you can see every pebble and leaf that it passes over. This is Shimabara in Japan, a city that has turned its natural resources into a beautiful, functional part of daily life. Here, the gutters are not just for rainwater, they serve a much more enchanting purpose. Shimabara is renowned for its natural springs. These springs provide an endless supply of clean, fresh water that flows through the city. This water is not just abundant, it is exceptionally clean and fresh, making it a vital part of the community. And within this flowing water, something magical happens. Koi carp, with their vibrant colors, swim freely, adding a touch of living beauty to the streets. It's a sight that captivates both locals and visitors alike, making Shimabara a city with a truly enchanting secret. These aren't just any fish, they are the guardians of the gutters, a sight that captivates both locals and visitors alike. Koi carp are special in Japan. Revered for their beauty and grace, they are more than just ornamental fish. They symbolize good fortune and perseverance. Their presence in the water is believed to bring prosperity and success. Seeing them glide through the gutters is a truly unique sight. It's a blend of nature and urban life, a harmony that is quintessentially Japanese. The story goes that these fish weren't always in the gutters. It began centuries ago when the ingenious locals found a way to bring life to their water channels. Locals, respecting the life-giving water, released koi into the canals. They believed that these vibrant fish would not only beautify the waterways but also purify them. The fish thrived, turning the waterways into shimmering rivers of color. Today, these koi carp are a testament to the harmonious relationship between humans and nature in Japan. The presence of koi in Shimabara's gutters speaks volumes about Japanese culture. Nature is not something separate, but something to be woven into everyday life. The people of Shimabara understand the importance of their unique ecosystem. They keep the water clean, they care for the fish. This shared responsibility creates a beautiful harmony. Walking through Shimabara is an unforgettable experience. The gentle splashes of water, the flashes of color as koi dart about all create a sense of peace. Shimabara reminds us that cities can be more than concrete and steel. They can be places where nature thrives, bringing joy to all who visit. It's a testament to the magic that happens when humans and nature live side by side. The koi fish, with their vibrant hues and graceful movements, are not just a visual delight, but also a symbol of harmony. They represent the delicate balance between urban life and nature. The community's dedication to maintaining these living waterways is evident. Residents take pride in caring for the koi, ensuring that they remain a cherished part of Shimabara's identity. As night falls, the koi gutters transform. Lanterns cast a warm glow, reflecting off the water and creating a magical ambience. It's a sight that captivates both locals and tourists alike. Shimabara stands as a shining example of how urban spaces can be designed to coexist with nature. It's a living, breathing testament to the beauty that emerges when we embrace the natural world within our cities.